With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello everyone, here the question is which of the given compound can exhibit tautomerism, right? So in the given figure we have to find out which compound exhibits tautomerism. So first we know about what is tautomerism. So tautomerism is the isomer. It is the isomers of compound which have differ in position of alpha hydrogen. Alpha hydrogen is known as tautomerism, right? So for here in this figure, here this is the alpha hydrogen present, right? This is alpha hydrogen. So this bond, like we made a figure here, double bond, here CH3 and also CH3, and here double bond O. So here alpha hydrogen is present, right? So this bond shift toward this bond, and double bond shifted toward oxygen and made a tautomerism like this. That is here CH3 and here double bond, here also double bond, and here OH is present, right? So this shows the tautomerism, right? So first shows tautomerism, second is the compound like this, here double bond O, here double bond, and here let's see at this carbon, that is CH3 is present, right? CH3, and here also CH3, but here also alpha hydrogen is present, right? Alpha hydrogen is present. So this bond shifted toward at this position, and here double bond shifted toward oxygen, and tautomerism is shown like this. Here double bond, here CH3, here also CH3, and here also double bond, right? And here OH is. So we see that in both the compound, H position of H is changed, that is from alpha to OH, right? So second is also exhibit tautomerism. Next, third is our third structure is like this. Sorry, here double bond, here double bond, here also double bond, but at this position it is CH3, and here also CH3. Here at gamma position it is alpha hydrogen present. So this bond shifted toward at this position, and this double bond shifted toward at this carbon, right? Sorry, here this bond shifted toward at this carbon, right? So the next compound is formed, that is here double bond, and here it is minus charge, and here double bond O, here at this position CH3 and CH3. So this hydrogen when get detached with this bond, so this hydrogen is free and then get attacked to this negative charge, and here alpha hydrogen get present, right, attached with this bond and this negative charge, and here hydrogen is present. So at this alpha hydrogen get tautomerism, this bond shifted toward at this position, and this double bond shifted toward at this position, right? So next this compound is formed, that is here double bond, right? Here double bond, and here OH, and at this position this carbon CH3 is attached. So all the three compounds shows tautomerism, right? All the three compounds shows tautomerism. So our correct option is option A. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.